Hello, this is Brandon P.T. Davis, theatrical scenic designer, and this Vectorworks tutorial is on the Resource Manager. The Resource Manager allows you to create, apply, and manage resources in the current file, as well as access resources in other files. In this Vectorworks workspace, the Resource Manager is located in the top corner. By clicking the push pin, I can keep the Resource Manager open. By closing the push pin, I can access it by hovering. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to pin the Resource Manager open. On the left side, you will notice a File Browser pane. In the File Browser pane, you have access to hundreds of custom libraries throughout the Vectorworks software. You can also create and modify your own resources and store them in the favorites. At the center, you will see the Resource Viewer pane. Currently, the Resource Viewer pane is looking at resources that are in the active file, LOL-OST-set for Living on Love, Okoboji Summer Theater, set. Please note that in this current view, I have resource folders where I have grouped the resources by their type. I can click through history to go back and forward. I currently have 3 resources that are not in folders. The first 2 resources are symbols, and the third is a texture. I can select the texture and put it in its set texture folder. These 2 resources here are the symbols. You can modify the way you view an item by clicking on the icons here. I can change this top plan view to a right isometric and change from wireframe to OpenGL to quickly navigate what the resource is. In this research view, you can also see the name of the resource and the resource type. I'm going to now put these 2 resources in their proper folder. To create a new resource, you can go to the bottom and click New Resource. Here, you can select the resource type. I'm going to create a texture. To create a texture, click Renderworks Texture and press Create. Here, you want to give your texture a name. I'm going to call this texture Wall Black. We can modify the color, reflectivity, transparency, and bump. I will cover the specifics on how to create a texture in another video. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to apply a color . Now that I've created the texture, I can properly put it in its folder. To create a folder, click New Folder, and it's similar to creating a resource. Select the folder type and the name of the folder and press OK. Using the search box, you can search resources throughout the Vectorworks libraries, workgroup libraries, your favorites, or within the file. I'm going to search for a glass texture. I'm going to type in glass. As you see currently, we have glass symbols and tiles, glass materials, many different types of resources. To narrow the search to Renderworks Textures, I'm going to click Renderworks Textures in the resource drop-down. Now I have narrowed down my search to the glass textures. You can double-click on a resource to apply on a texture, or you can select the resource and drop it into your open file. Many of the resources are cloud-based and will be uploaded from the internet. Now that I have added the new glass texture resource, I can edit the attributes of the resource. Modifications that you make to a downloaded resource will only affect the resource within the file and will not affect the resource from its original location. This concludes my introduction to the Resource Manager. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.